Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show how to set up the IP address in the printer of Canon LBP-623. Now select your country/region and I'll select my country. And select time zone. And select current time set. Remote UI access pin controls the printer by local LAN for any PC or laptop using the password. If you connect the printer to a wireless LAN, then yes, otherwise no. Now select Menu. Select Preferences. Select Network. Select Wired LAN. Click on TCP/IP settings. You are noted that must be auto acquire and dchp IP off, then click on manually acquire and IP address setting. Provided the one IP address for your local LAN. Settings applied changes effective after main power is turned off and again on the printer power. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video. Now IP address ping for your local LAN, any PC or laptop. Now command for ping and using the printer settings IP address.